people, welcome back to my channel. And guess what? I'm gonna open a restaurant. That's why you guys haven't been seeing me, because I'm so busy getting things together. But of course, today I'm giving you all a tour of my restaurant called Yardy Kitchen. So of course, you know I love bake and everything. I can't leave out that. So you know, all of my pastries when I have them. Yardy Kitchen. Yardy Kitchen. If something sweet come over here, so yeah. So you know, I have my coconut cake, my vanilla cake, chocolate, lemon, and you know, bread pudding with some rum cream in there, bad like yes. But anyway, yes, you can see my the upside down, but this is Yardy Kitchen and all that. People sitting and everything, nobody not come yet, but yeah, just open up. And of course, we have patties today. We have mild and spicy and chicken and cheese. And that's Rhea over there. Yeah. And you don't know, juice well full up and thing. Up on the menu, you have the kitchen. Someone may later them rub off, but now watch that. Yeah. Today we have jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry chicken, curry goat, stew chicken, and oxtail. Tomorrow we have pea soup, cow foot, and bean. Today we have chicken soup, soup of the day. Anybody want that one here? Yeah. And of course, we sell beer. Yeah. So people come over here, so come try out the kitchen. The young chef, them call me, the young pretty chef. You don't know? You know the thing said, you're Jamaican, you have to learn to cook from your young days, yeah? So yeah.